If you're a mom-to-be or already chasing a tiny human, this is non-negotiable. Let me tell you, its softness is next level. It's made with gentle cotton fabric, and the top layer is like an ultra soft sleeve that's perfect for baby's delicate skin. Putting it on and taking it off, super straightforward, and it's totally washable. When you need a quick break to grab a drink or fold laundry, just set baby on this. Make sure it's flat, and they'll be cozy and safe. With all the deals happening right now, this is the perfect time to grab one. I use it every day with my baby, and I can't imagine life without it.